Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one Kashmiri youth in the Baramulla district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Uri area of the district. The operation in the area was going on till last reports came in. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India is using military might to suppress the Kashmiris' popular demand for their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar termed the Kashmir dispute as purely a political and human issue recognized in the UN resolutions. President of People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti and Vice President of the National Conference Umar Abdullah have questioned the bail granted to an Indian Army officer convicted of killing 3 innocent Kashmiris in a fake encounter in 2020. According to Kashmir Media Service, 3 laborers hailing from Rajouri district of the Jammu region were killed by the Indian troops led by the Captain Bhupender Singh in Amshipura area of the Shopian district on 18th July 2020 and labelled as terrorists. Indian National Congress has said that Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party has brought occupied Kashmir to the brink of destruction. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Congress president in occupied Kashmir, Waqar Rasulwani, talking to the media persons in Srinagar, said BJP is ignoring the sufferings of the people of the occupied territory. Traders and politicians have raised concern over the worsening power supply situation in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Trade Alliance President Ijaz Sandur, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the prolonged hours of load shedding are not only hampering the economic activities but also negatively impacting the lives of the common people.